What is Python?
Python coding is like giving instructions to a computer to make it do things. It's a programming language that's easy to learn and fun to use.
Imagine you're a wizard casting spells. With Python, you can create games, animations, and even build robots.
Think about your favorite cartoon character. You can use Python to make them move and interact in a game, bringing them to life. Picture a huge treasure map. Python helps you discover hidden treasures by solving puzzles and challenges, just like a real treasure hunt. What if you could talk to your toys? Python can create programs that let your toys respond to your voice or actions.
Imagine designing your own video game. With Python, you can create the characters, rules, and even the storyline of your very own adventure.
Let's explore coding together. You can learn Python with friends, solving fun problems, and building exciting projects together. Coding can change the world. With Python, you can help solve big problems like pollution or helping animals, making it a better place. Had fun learning about Python? Hit that like button and share with your friends. Want to learn more about Python? Subscribe to DevNija Academy, where curious minds grow and awesome ideas come alive.